Add luxury to your garden with the Fontana Forno Italia outdoor oven. It has a dual chamber that is designed to direct heat from the fire chamber around the cooking chamber to provide a constant and even temperature, making it the perfect outdoor oven. Fueled by wood, this can also add a nice flavour to your food. The cooking chamber has multiple racks, so you can cook several dishes at once, and has 12 centimeters of insulation for heat retention and cooking efficiency. It also makes the outside of the oven safe to touch while it's at a high temperature, perfect for families. It has a stainless steel chimney damper and sliding cooking chamber damper for precise temperature control, allowing you to cook pizzas to your ideal crispness. It's made from aluminium steel with cast iron doors, so it's durable and rust-proof. It's 87.5 centimeters wide, 90.2 centimeters deep, and 156 centimeters high. For more information, click on the link in the description box below, and please subscribe to our Garden for Less YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.